Hello friends, today we will see how to print the different patterns of Happ pyramid in C language. In this video I will explain how to print these 5 types of patterns through the C language program. So let's start. See, this is the pattern 1, means by writing this type of program we will get this output. The logic behind this is we need the two counters. One is for row counter and the second is for column counter. So for row counter I have used I variable, and for column counter I have used the j variable. When I equal to 1 we have to print star once. So here I have written that when I equal to 1 print star once. Similarly when I equal to 2 print star twice. In the same way, when I equal to n, print star n times. So if I enter the value of n as a 5, we have the last condition will be print star 5 times. Means print star up till when j counts equal to I. So the same logic I have written in this program. I have used two for loops, one for row counter, one for column counter. This for loop execute 5 times when I equal to 1 to I less than or equal to 5. This for loop executes up till when j less than or equal to I, and I have simply printed star and in front of that space to print the pattern properly. I have used /n when the first row is completed. So when I execute this program we will get the output in this form. Now we will see the next pattern. See this pattern, next pattern. Here also I have used the two counters, I for row count and j for column count. When I equal to 5, print star 5 times. On first row the star gets printed 5 times. So what I have done, I have simply changed the first for loop. I have started first for loop from 5 up to when I greater than or equal to 1, and I simply subtracted 1 for each iteration. When I equal to 4 print star 4 times. Similarly when I equal to 1 print star 1 time, means print star up till when j counts equal to I, the same condition as present in the previous pattern. So I have written the same program, just changed this for loop, and we will get the output in this form. Now we will go for the next pattern, pattern 3, the Happ pyramid which has the digits. So the logic behind this is when I equal to 1 print value of j once. When I equal to 2 print value of j twice. Similarly when I equal to n print value of j n times. Instead of printing the star I have printed the j value, which is the value of this inner for loop. Simply for first row I have to print only one number. So I have written here the condition j less than or equal to I, and simply printed %d j, the value of j. By executing this program we will get the output in this form. Now we go for the next, the pattern 4, this one. For first row we need 5 digits, the 5 j values. When I equal to 5 print value of j 5 times. Similarly, when I equal to 1, print value of j 1 times. So I have started the first for loop from the value of I equal to 5. I simply return the condition I greater than or equal to 1. So in this for loop, I have printed the value of j, and I compared for this iteration. I have compared the value of j with the I, means j less than or equal to I, and here I get this out. The last pattern is to print uppercase letter in half pyramid form. The logic behind that is, first we have to enter any uppercase letter up to which we have to print half pyramid. Here I have entered k. So the value of n equal to k. The integer value of a, as we have to print the uppercase letters from the start, I have considered the one variable start which is assigned to a. So integer value of a is 65. Similarly, the integer value of n, k is stored in the n. So integer value of k is 75. So we have to print the number of rows n minus a plus 1. 75 minus 65, this gets 10 plus 1 equal to 11 times. So we have to execute the use the row counter up to 11. So see this program. I have written the row count for loop I equal to 1, I less than or equal to, the value for this is 11, means this loop executes 11 times. In that I have written the condition column counter j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus, and for simply I have printed the start. What is the value stored in the start? A value. So it simply prints A once. Then for a next iteration of I have incremented the start by 1. The start has the value capital A. So while incrementing, it increments the integer digits. So the next value for start is 66. When I equal to 2, this condition true, so it enters in the control enters in the loop, and here j loop execute twice, and %c start has a value capital B, so it prints the value of start twice. In this way, when I equal to 11, at that time start will be 75, that is k, and k gets printed 11 times. See this output of this program here, the k gets printed 11 times. So in this way we print the happy rabbit patterns through our C programs. So in this video I have explained some happy rabbit printing patterns in C. I hope you all like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to see all my upcoming videos of C. Thank you.